Oh, look at a bomb went off in here! No, I have not completely disappeared off the face of the earth, and yeah, I was at Mindfield, and that was about the last time I actually flew. So, oh, hi Sophie. Mayo. Sophie. Hello. So that was the yeah, August 22nd. Yesterday was the first time I actually flew a pack since then, so it's been well over a month. Kind of felt it for the first couple of minutes, and then afterwards, no worries. So yeah, been pretty much busy with family stuff thanks to COVID stuff, and son's been out of daycare since March. Went to school for the first day today, which means I can edit video! And I can get rid of a lot of this, but aside of that, yeah, the office, which I'm turning into a studio, is a complete and total wreck, as you can probably see. Sully, dude, I haven't forgotten about you. I'm getting your mount. Once I get my 3D printer recalibrated and put someplace and then recalibrated, but I haven't forgotten about you. So yeah, I'm just gonna quit the yapping and oh yeah, that's right. So put a camera, not a camera, what am I talking about? I put a microphone in my goggles. I gotta say, this thing is pretty slick. So here's some video, some raw video of flight yesterday, and that microphone, I'll link to Paul Nurk's video on how I did that. Excellent, $3-4 well spent. Anyway, sit back and enjoy the show. Whew, that's touchy.
Little mini dives.
Oh yeah, a few split S's. Whew. This thing on the lens is like way too distracting.
Yeah, it is. There's something on there, isn't there?
Yeah. Oh, these spots to dive.
Go through that porch of that house we parked near.
Oh, they'll.
Yeah, down there.
It's a barn actually.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice.
Oh, bosh that.
Do a little lawn mowing there. Oh dear.
That was fun.
That was close.
Make sure no one's in here.
Right. Ooh.
Yeah, so I felt that one. Ooh, this looks like fun.
Oh my goodness. It's a long walk. What's your angle?
I'm not entirely sure.
Oh. Turtle.
RSSI low. Situation normal. All fucked up. RSSI
You did it.
low.
Dude, that. What a great save. I'm having to walk all the way over there. Can you fly through that?
Oh gosh!
Close, man. You've done that before, right?
No.
Oh, you haven't?
No.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Are you recording?
Of course.
Yeah, okay.
And getting audio.
Oh yeah, me too. Oh well.
I've got the microphone and the goggles.
Oh! Damn, dude. Can you fly through this thing we're in, right between us? Without lopping my head off? Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't do it. Oh shit, man.
Okay, I didn't see that one.
What was that? Did you hit the guy wire? Oh damn! Of all the things to hit.
Well, that's where I lost the battery in my.
You should bring it back over.
Yes, one doesn't sound right.
Yeah, it doesn't sound right. Something's dangling for sure.
I am recording, right?
Yes.
Good. Okay.
What happened? Sounded like something was hitting, didn't it?
I heard it, sir.
Huh. Interesting. I would have thought there had been something pretty